Okay, now remember your body wants to heal itself. Your body wants to heal itself. It's designed in such a way. Okay? Now, is health really in your hands? Yes. It must be in your hands. It must be in your hands. You must take charge of it. Okay? And then, once you take charge of it, it's simple. Follow these simple guidelines. You and your family can be healthier and stay healthy. That's the most important thing. You must take charge of yourself, your thoughts, your emotions. You must take charge of yourself. You must know what to do. Okay? Right.
हमारे शरीर की रचना इस तरह से की गई है कि यह खुद को हील कर सकता है। हमारा स्वास्थ्य हमारे नियंत्रण में होना चाहिए। जब हम इसका ध्यान रखना शुरू करेंगे तो यह बहुत आसान हो जाता है। जब हम पीवीएच के निर्देशकों का पालन करते हुए हमारे स्वास्थ्य की देखभाल करते हैं तो यह बहुत आसान हो जाता है, जिससे हमारा परिवार स्वस्थ हो जाएगा और वैसे ही रहेगा। हमें अपने स्वास्थ्य की, अपने विचारों की, अपनी भावनाओं आदि की जिम्मेदारी खुद ही लेनी चाहिए।
Next, costs, what they are. They are actually costs. Costs are costs coming to you in different way. And the linking two or many people together, this can block the flow of blood in the area and cause physical problems, cause and disrupt the chakra from operating, and can cause emotional, pain, and mental issues. These are the causes will come to you. You cannot see this, but in PV, you see how to sense the cause. Okay? You can sense the cause and you can find out. You can find out where the cause is coming from, who sent the cause, when it came. Is there a dark energy involved in that? See, from this lifetime, it's from past life. Okay? So cause can come from a past life, something you have done. And this connection is still there, coming to you.
कॉर्ड्स क्या हैं? कॉर्ड्स हमारे पास अलग अलग तरीकों से आते हैं। कॉर्ड्स ऊर्जा की कड़ियाँ होती हैं जो किन्हीं दो लोगों या कई लोगों को एक साथ जोड़ती हैं। कॉर्ड्स किसी क्षेत्र में प्राण के प्रवाह को अवरुद्ध कर सकते हैं और शारीरिक समस्याएं पैदा कर सकते हैं। यदि उस क्षेत्र में थम जाते हैं तो यह चक्र के संचालन को भी बाधित कर सकते हैं और यह दर्द, भावनात्मक एवं मानसिक समस्याएं पैदा कर सकता है। कॉर्ड्स को देखा नहीं जा सकता, लेकिन पीवीएच में इन्हें महसूस किया जा सकता है। हम यह पता लगा सकते हैं कि यह कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, इसे कौन भेज रहा है, यह कब आए, क्या यह नकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं की वजह से हो रहा है, क्या यह इस जन्म से है या हमारे पिछले जन्म से है। यदि कनेक्शन अभी भी मौजूद है तो कॉर्ड्स हमारे पिछले जन्म से भी हमारे पास आ सकते हैं।
Okay? Like that. So with that, once the cord is free, you'll be free. Cord, why am I free? Why am I always losing energy? Why am I draining? What is draining me from me every day? How am I getting drained? Okay? Then once you're free, the body will start to heal itself. Like that. This cause can come for people who learn. And what happens when something breaks up? Unhappy relationship, cause dark, cause coming hard, so and then control and become unhappy. Always feeling down, as we don't feel nice. Is your life force being taken away with somebody else? Is someone taking your life force away from you? Right? Next, look, how the cause will come. This cause can come from anybody, from anywhere in the world. It can come from here to USA to here, and any part of the world. If the cause can come from the inner world, what is this? Nothing. It can come from the inner world. Next, see how the cause. No insufficient with the divine. Chakras are blocked, dirty energies around the aura is not all clean and not dirty, all holes everywhere. So what we do, how we do? We clean the aura with the wand. The aura cleansing with the wand. Okay, what do we do? Okay, next.
जब हमें कॉर्ड्स आते हैं तब कभी कभी हमें ऐसा महसूस हो सकता है कि हमारी ऊर्जा समाप्त हो रही है, और एक बार जब हम कॉर्ड्स से मुक्त हो जाते हैं तो हम खुद को हील करना शुरू कर सकते हैं। हमें अस्वस्थ रिश्तों से भी कॉर्ड्स आ सकते हैं। कॉर्ड्स किसी से भी और दुनिया के किसी भी हिस्से से आ सकते हैं, और यह आंतरिक दुनिया से भी आ सकते हैं। जब हमें कॉर्ड्स हो तो हमारी आभा में कई समस्याएं आ सकती हैं, जैसे दिव्यता के साथ संबंध अपर्याप्त होना, आभा के ऊर्जा कवच पर दरारें होना, चक्रों में रुकावटें होना, आभा के चारों ओर गंदी ऊर्जाएं होना। पीवीएच में हम वॉन्ड का उपयोग करके और आभा सफाई तकनीक का उपयोग करके अपनी आभा से सभी अशुद्धियों और मलबों को हटा सकते हैं।
Where does cause can come from? Type of cause: revenge, anger, disappointment, jealous, lust. Today, we have made the book so strong, we don't go find out, we don't have to go find out what is all about. You just read definition and things start to happen. You don't need to go and analyze and make a connection by yourself. Why the person angry? So I tell everybody in my club, don't go and analyze. Who, why, what, when. Just go and look at it and go on. By knowing already, you're going to just upset yourself. Oh, I've been so nice to the person. Why the person sent calls? Understand? I'm getting a lot of calls from my own family members. Not having praises I became. Okay, I got work to do, man. My father is gone. Why was ritual for? There's no need for the ritual. So people are unhappy. Oh, he knows so much, during the time when I was, father died, I was taking video of my father's fourth film. People talking, wow, this was a mad fellow, no? Doing camera on dead man, no? That dead man happened to my father. So
Is your father?
I can what I like.
Memories with him.
It's all. Why you are so excited? So people are people. And they will send calls to you, madam.
कई तरह की भावनाओं के कॉर्ड्स आ सकते हैं, जैसे बदला, गुस्सा, निराशा, ईर्ष्या, वासना तथा शादी में रुकावट डालने वाले कॉर्ड्स, समृद्धि में रुकावट डालने वाले कॉर्ड्स, ग्रे जादू, काला जादू के कॉर्ड्स और सफ़ेद जादू के कॉर्ड्स। पीवीएच क्षमा अभिकथन अब इतने प्रभावशाली और ऊर्जित हैं कि हमें यह विश्लेषण करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि कोई क्यों, कब, क्या भेज रहा है। हम बस क्षमा पढ़कर कॉर्ड्स को बेअसर कर सकते हैं। अगर हम विश्लेषण करना शुरू कर दें तो यह हमें और अधिक दुखी और परेशान करेगा। सर को खुद को अपने परिवार के सदस्यों से बहुत सारे कॉर्ड्स आते हैं। परिवारजन इस बात से खुश नहीं थे कि सर के पिता के निधन के बाद कोई विधि नहीं की गई, लेकिन जब हमारी आभा बहुत मजबूत होती है तो यह कॉर्ड्स हमारे अंदर प्रवेश नहीं कर सकते।
But when you are very, very strong, these cords cannot enter you. You have to be very, very strong, madam. These cords will come, they fall down. It's like you have fire burning around you. Madam, they burn a fire. And somebody take a piece of paper and throw at you. What happened to the paper, madam? Burn away. Right. They put a bigger thing. Burn away. So they cannot enter you. So you have to become like that. That's what your divine fire is all about. The thoughts, your divine fire. Nothing can enter you at all. I won't be able to go sit down in the most darkest part of the world and remove black magic, madam. Understand? So you must go. I can walk to the graveyard, madam. When I go to the pub, all the court sorts run away, madam. You know that, madam? I go to a very, like a pub, all the souls run away. Why? Why the holy man come here? Hey, you want to catch any all, but I'm going to talk about better. Yeah, good time. Quite business on here. We are not having, instead of saying everybody that but no time to drink or happy or. No, the good temple, all the souls will come. Yes, madam. It's not different when girls celebrate. Like that, huh? So, revenge, anger, disappointment, jealous, lust, cause blocking in marriages, cause blocking prosperous success, cause from grey magic and black magic, cause from white magic. So, these are all the different types of cause coming to you.
What is grey?
Grey means, madam, a black magician is also a guru. You understand? A guru does white magic. Okay, the white magic. That means he wants you to join the guru. And at the same time, you do black magic to get connection to be making them stronger. You understand? Huh? It's called grey magic.
Tantric.
The tantric? No, it's not a tantric. He's a guru and a tantric. Understand? He does both things. The black magician do not indulge in divine. He's always calling the dark side to come do black magic for you. Sacrifices and animal and this and that. These guys will do both. They will do both. So the white magic is very easy. What will remove? Question number 10. What will remove white magic? Huh?
Spiritual hygiene.
I asked you a question. Which affirmation will remove white magic? What was it? I am better. But when the guy do grey magic, white magic won't go. I am one work. If you doing occult practices, that's called grey magic. So I am will not work. He's not doing pure white magic. He's indulging some black magic in his white magic. Hey, madam, you don't know what Hindu gurus are, madam. At night, they do one kind of things at night quietly.
So read page 7.
Hmm?
Then read page 7.
Page number 7, the name of the person and organization. If, of course, our booklet is now 100 level now, so normally they should go. I said, those days, it was not 100 level, today we are 100 level. So most of the data, so today I'm quite in peace, man. They didn't forget all black magic knowledge. But still people cannot believe. Still calling me, techniques are, please techniques are, please techniques. So it's so difficult to understand. How come I forget black magic?
हमारी आभा यानी औरा हमारे चारों ओर अग्नि की तरह होनी चाहिए, जो हमारी ओर आने वाली किसी भी नकारात्मकता को कागज़ के टुकड़े की तरह जला दे। जब कोई भी कॉर्ड्स हमें भेजे तो हमारी आभा इतनी मजबूत हो कि वह प्रवेश ही ना कर पाए। यही दिव्य अग्नि है। दिव्य अग्नि के बिना सर दुनिया के सबसे अंधेरे यानी नकारात्मक ऊर्जा वाले हिस्सों में जाकर वहाँ मौजूद काला जादू नहीं हटा पाते। जब गुरु हमें समूह में शामिल करना चाहते हैं तो वह सफ़ेद जादू होता है, और जब वह संबंध मजबूत करने के लिए काले जादू का भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो उसे ग्रे मैजिक कहते हैं। यह कोई ऐसा गुरु हो सकता है जो तांत्रिक अनुष्ठान भी करता हो, अंधेरी दुनिया के प्राणियों को बुलाकर काला जादू करने के लिए कहता है, जिसमें बलिदान वगैरह जैसी क्रिया शामिल होती है। मैं हूँ का आध्यात्मिक अभिकथन पढ़ने से सफ़ेद जादू दूर हो जाता है। ग्रे मैजिक के लिए मैं हूँ काम नहीं करेगा। जब गुप्त साधनाओं का प्रयोग किया जाता है तो उसे ग्रे मैजिक कहा जाता है। इसीलिए हमें उस व्यक्ति और उस संगठन के लिए पुष्ट 7 पढ़ना होगा, और आम तौर पर अब वह चला जाएगा क्योंकि क्षमा अभिकथन पुस्तक को काले जादू के 100 स्तरों को दूर करने के लिए ऊर्जित किया गया है।
Okay, so these are parts coming from white magic, black magic, grey magic, and then from all the chakras, they come on the chakras, on the organs, on the area of the physical body, on the astral body, and mental. So these parts can come in any parts of the organs. Come anywhere. So it was like that now. It came to her ears. Yes, sir. Where it came to you, man? Came on your spine. Not for all the chakras, came in that specific location. You know that? Why? That's the weakest point. See, a thought is coming, a thought coming. How can I attack this person? Suddenly I enter him, suddenly you have a pain. Suddenly, that's when the thought enters you. You feel something came in, you feel so uncomfortable, you cannot move. Let me sit down. That's the time the thought came in. And I knew when the thought comes in. Just so remember, on the physical body, or any part of physical can be the astral body, mental body, okay? Next, now where they can come from? Family members, brothers, sisters, close relatives, in-laws family, family members, ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, ex-husband, ex-wife, friends, neighbors.
यह कॉर्ड्स हमारे चक्रों, हमारे अंगों, हमारे भौतिक शरीर, हमारे मानसिक शरीर या सूक्ष्म शरीर पर भी आ सकते हैं। यह हमारे शरीर के किसी भी कमज़ोर स्थल पर आ सकते हैं। कॉर्ड्स हमारे शरीर में प्रवेश करने की कोशिश कर रहे होते हैं, और जब यह प्रवेश करते हैं तो उस क्षेत्र में अचानक दर्द होता है। यह कॉर्ड्स हमारे परिवार के सदस्यों जैसे भाई, बहन, अन्य रिश्तेदारों, हमारे दोस्तों, पड़ोसियों, सहपाठियों, पूर्व प्रेमियों, पूर्व साझेदारों, ससुराल वालों, सहकर्मियों, आध्यात्मिक गुरुओं, पुजारियों, तांत्रिकों, गुप्त चिकित्सकों और टैटू से आ सकते हैं।
Class with your neighbor can be jealous of you, madam. Singapore very dangerous, madam. They are not going noise. Excuse me, sir. Don't call the police now. Very be quiet. You were in somebody's house, huh? Actually, so. Hey, I'm thinking, no, it's 11 o'clock anymore. It's waiting for 11 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Oh, no plus minus, madam. So here is very tight, madam. Here. Very careful meeting in Singapore. It was like, so long, you know. That's what it's saying. You understand? People understand living in an environment is a bit difficult because you're so close to each other now.
Yeah,
Okay?
like, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So I've got another neighbor. The kids are very small. Usually 9 o'clock, kids should go to bed.
Go this year, you've got time, and then go to bed. Go to your time now.
So 8 o'clock, all the kids night, no. Midnight at the top of their voices, no. Are you? Top of their voices, no, sir. Small kids. Although making some more noise. I sleep. Suddenly I woke up. I sleep very slowly. I woke up. I don't know what to do. I call the police. What else you got? I said, there's no fight, there's no nothing, but there's a lot of noise pollution. This is midnight. Children, 6, 7 years old. And if it was going on for a while, he asked me to fight, madam. I said, I don't know. I'm going to bed now. You come and have a look. Okay. They just said, keep your voices down. That's about all. Otherwise, if they don't come and intervene.
Let's say, madam, you said the word, madam, huh? Tomorrow the neighbor look at you.
Everyone knows.
Yeah.
She wants
As long as they understand, it's fine, madam. But not every. Some people are very protective. How can you complain about me, you know? Then that's where the trouble starts, madam. And some of the police come and this neighbor don't want to complain come on. They don't tell the people here are complaining. They might even tell the name of the person who complained or no. That's another big problem. So they must manage it. People here are not happy with you. What, madam? The one Soul's playing, madam. Soul's playing. Yes, madam. Everywhere. Everywhere. Marble playing marble on top there. Those are souls. Those are 100% souls, madam. It happens in Malaysia everywhere. In fact, I've healed many souls, and after that, the house has been very quiet after that. All the young souls who go down there play marbles on the roof, madam. Oh, you got no roof, what? Somebody living on top of you, what?
upstairs, you can hear marbles dropping.
Yes, but it's all souls. It's all souls, madam. All souls. All souls.
I can also hear the children play
Madam?
but we may not be.
You play the song.
At night, how can I?
Madam. Souls. Play the song. Play the TV song. Okay? And then tell to all the souls here, play some of the time. Don't play here. You start playing, we call Shiva, here you can never play for the rest of your life. Madam, lot of souls, children's souls are there, madam. They're still in the playground mood, madam. Understand? Marble soul, madam. Yes. Very common all over in Malaysia, madam. I think white men soul don't play marble. Malaysian, local Malaysian people, Malaysian Singaporeans play marble around, madam. They don't play marble, they play golf, I think, madam. No, seriously. It's not the only time, madam. Sometimes they find like running, marble song. Yes, madam. You may not have roof, they play in between the roof that you may not understand. It's a virtual floor that they live in. It's not like a house. Yes. It's very common. Very common.
हमारे पड़ोसियों से अक्सर हमें कॉर्ड्स आ सकते हैं क्योंकि वे हमारे बहुत पास रहते हैं। एक प्रतिभागी ने बताया कि जब उनके पड़ोसियों के बच्चे बहुत देर रात तक शोर मचा रहे थे तो उन्होंने पुलिस को बुलाया। सर ने कहा कि पुलिस को बुलाने की बजाय इन संबंधों को समझदारी से संभालना बेहतर है क्योंकि ऐसा करने से पड़ोसी सच में हमसे खुश होंगे। मलेशिया में देर रात छत पर कंचे गिरने की आवाज़ें सुनाई देती हैं, मानो बच्चे कंचों से खेल रहे हों। दरअसल ये उन छोटे बच्चों की आत्माएं थीं जो इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे। सर ने सभी से कहा कि जब भी ऐसी आवाज़ें सुनाई दे तो सोल एलिवेशन गाना बजाएं और आत्माओं से कहीं और जाकर कंचों से खेलने का अनुरोध करें। मलेशिया में बच्चों का कंचों से खेलना बहुत आम है। यह बहुत सारे बच्चों की आत्माएं हैं जो अभी भी अपने खेल के मैदानों में आते रहते हैं। वे छतों के बीच में खेलते हैं। यह उनके लिए एक आभासी फर्श यानी वर्चुअल ग्राउंड की तरह है।
So it's not something new. It's all sorts of coming on here. Okay. So from working place, remember working place. Today is what day? Is it holiday? For school holiday, yeah? For school. Okay. So otherwise tomorrow morning something you're not happy with you coming to work. Or you're not happy going to work. Understand? You didn't finish your target, you didn't finish your project. So people come, oh, what did this girl come here? Oh, the first thing on I go up my boss don't come. I think the boss got stomach pain and things like that. These are the things that happen. The cost will go down there. Huh? From spiritual gurus, from priests, from all of these Dukun and Bomo and Tantric, you know. People in the other side don't understand what the Bomo, the Dukun. These are names in Asia, Malaysia especially, you know. Each country has got some other name for that. Philippines and everywhere. There's no such thing. Everywhere this is happening. All over the world. In Africa, South America, everywhere. Rituals. You know, when I go to UK, when I have a class, you know what they call themselves, madam? You can't use the word, you can't use black, they call it witchcraft. Witchcraft. So whenever I had an expo there, very expensive expo. They have 5,000 pounds for 4 days. So I used the word witchcraft, then they start coming, yes sir, witchcraft, can you check for me please? Black magic they don't understand. Must use the word witchcraft in there. And they practice witchcraft. Yes, it's a way of life for them, madam. You think only that they do from chicken now, go some prayer house, put in the middle. They do. Isn't it the word Macbeth? Isn't the witchcraft Macbeth? The three people between something on. No, it's part of the puzzle of their life. In the UK, yeah? So witchcraft and then tattoos. Tattoos have connection. Tattoos have inner connection. Don't ever try to put one tattoo here. I love my tattoo. Look at my tattoo. Look at my tattoo. Some woman actor Padukone. Padukone is it Padukone? Actress Deepika Padukone. She acted on an English movie with a boyfriend, Vin Diesel. And the movie, look at my tattoo. In the movie, in the movie she's showing the tattoo. So that's what other people will do. Also have a tattoo. Exactly. You know, even Angela Jolie, you know, she always sleep. Now she said she saw a tattoo. Look at my tattoo. Cambodian tattoo or some Vietnamese tattoo. Why do you do this, woman? And people watch and say, I also want to have a tattoo. Somebody promoting so good. No, after that, people are so dark, man. It's so dark. Tattoos are all very dark. People can say whatever they want, call it skin art, whatever. It is dark energy. Yes. Whatever you see, it's all dark energy. Yes, ma'am.
Did any of the film stars or heroes or heroines come to see you for any reason?
I'm not a film star, they will come.
You are a star in your own way.
Listen to me, madam. Our purpose on earth is not to see them, to help the poor and the poor.
Yes.
That's our intention. Whether I have a film star or a poor man, madam, the merit is for me when I heal the poorest of the poor. Healing a film star this way, so even John Gray came and he sold 50 million books. I heal and I'm not going to call John Gray, I want to come to your house, I want to see him. Nothing. You come, I heal. Give a testimony, I kill it, that's all. I'm not going to look for John Gray. You know who John Gray? Yes. The man who bought the book, Man from Mars, Woman. That's all. I did my work, can I finish it? I'm not going to call John Gray, can I come and see you please? I don't want him to be indebted to my work. He never gave me anything. He came to the club, I healed him, he left. That's all. He's better. Okay, good, huh? So remember, so in fact, they organized the class, madam. They were so shocked, I was healing everybody. They got frightened, madam. They got frightened. How come this is healing everybody? Headache is healing. Woman could not manage this healing. Woman my problem is healing. What is this? I think we should not make it into a lose business. No, I'm not joking. They make money, madam. Oh, yeah. You know how much a healing consultation costs in the US, madam? $2,500 US. 1 hour. I'm not joking. I'm not simply saying this one. They will talk to madam. You're from the Cleopatra level. You're working with the Cleopatra. You come now. And make them feel so excited, get excited, madam. Oh, I was a king. I was everything Egyptian. Everything Egyptian. All Egyptian. I said, what are you talking? Egyptian, madam. Simply create them. They like to listen to this kind of talk, madam. And they only want the film stars. $2,500 per hour.
Per hour?
Yes, madam. That's how they make money, madam. All these people are. And they make all the money, madam. The clothes, the perfume, all money finish. All the good stuff over, all the clothes they wear, all the thing, all money is gone. Their lifestyle is different, madam. Very, very sad.
काम के दबाव, प्रतिस्पर्धा, ईर्ष्या आदि के कारण हमारे सहकर्मियों से भी हमें कॉर्ड्स आ सकते हैं। दुनिया के सभी हिस्से में अलग अलग नामों से गुप्त प्रथाएं मौजूद हैं। उदाहरण के लिए ब्रिटेन में काले जादू को विचक्राफ्ट कहा जाता है। टैटू का आंतरिक दुनिया से संबंध होता है और इसमें डार्क एनर्जीज होती हैं। लोग उन फिल्मी सितारों को देखकर टैटू बनवाने के लिए प्रेरित होते हैं जो उनका प्रचार करते हैं। एक प्रतिभागी ने सर से पूछा कि क्या कभी भी किसी फिल्म स्टार ने किसी भी कारण से उनसे संपर्क किया है। इस पर शिवा सर ने उत्तर दिया कि पृथ्वी पर हमारा उद्देश्य प्रसिद्ध व्यक्तियों की सेवा करना नहीं है, बल्कि सबसे गरीब लोगों की मदद करना है। हम किसी प्रसिद्ध व्यक्ति की मदद कर सकते हैं और किसी बहुत ही गरीब व्यक्ति की भी। हमें जो पुण्य मिलता है वह गरीब व्यक्ति की मदद करने के लिए है। श्री जॉन ग्रे पुस्तक मेन आर फ्रॉम मार्स एंड विमेन फ्रॉम वीनस के प्रसिद्ध लेखक, जिसकी दुनिया भर में 50 मिलियन से अधिक प्रतियां बिक चुकी हैं, वे सर की कक्षा में उपस्थित थे। सर ने उन्हें बस हील किया और फिर वे संपर्क में नहीं हैं। सर ने बस वही किया जो करने की आवश्यकता थी। श्री ग्रे ने पीवीएच के उपचार का एक प्रशंसा पत्र दिया। हमें दूसरों को अपने प्रति ऋणी महसूस नहीं कराना चाहिए। वे सर को इतनी जल्दी इतने सारे लोगों को हील करते देखकर बहुत हैरान थे। अमेरिका में वे 1 घंटे के उपचार परामर्श के लिए $2500 लेते हैं। वे आपको ऐसा महसूस कराते हैं जैसे कि आप अपने पिछले जन्मों में एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति थे और इस तरह वे पैसा कमाते हैं।
So, tattoos practitioners, okay? Good. Now, where this cause can come from? From family. You need to understand this is the root cause of the problem. The biggest root cause of the problem. So once you get the root cause, then you find a way, then fine. Working business, organization, tattoos, soul from past life, from present life. These are things that will come to you. How are you going to get rid of that? How are you going to understand this? And then you'll be fine. I'm not saying everybody has a problem, but there will be love. And especially in Singapore, you're living in each other manner. One line after the other. On top of you, down from you, your pattern will be clean. Other things manner. Right? Okay, good. Next. Now, the bigger the family, the more problems you're going to have. Yes or no, madam? Yes, madam. Bigger family. You know, I went for somebody, I had a class in Perth. So when I went to class in Perth, the lady was going to divorce. In Australia, not so much Singapore and Malaysia, madam, when you divorce, you must sell all your property and 50-50. That's the law in Australia. Whether the husband paid the money or the lady paid money, you must pay. So she married to an Argentinian who brought $2,500 to the place. He came, met the girl, and he got 2 kids. So now he's going to divorce. So they're going for a birthday party of the child. The grandmother, whom I knew, was taking me to birthday party. I thought they were going to see a party. And that madam signed the divorce paper at the birthday party.
Oh my God.
So funny, madam. And now the ex-husband is there, the 2 kids were there, and she was there. Now ex-husband has come with his new wife. With 3 children. Ex-husband's new girlfriend, her ex-boyfriend. The ex-boyfriend was his new girlfriend. Like this, what is happening here? And this lady, who is the mother of the lady who is going to come, going hugging the ex-son-in-law. She came back, she the fellow. She's behind me. Oh, bring his girlfriend. Oh, what is this now, madam? I said, madam, in my country, you take the shoe and bring it. Pull the shoe out of like. Hugging. What are you doing, madam? See, living a very false kind of thing, madam. Not real, madam. Inside they feel everything. They feel inside, but they cannot voice out, madam.
इसलिए कॉर्ड्स कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं और एक बार जब हम मूल कारण का पता लगा लेते हैं तो हम उससे निपटने में सक्षम होते हैं। हर किसी को समस्याएं नहीं होती, लेकिन कॉर्ड्स किसी पर भी आ सकते हैं। परिवार जितना बड़ा होगा उतनी ही अधिक समस्याएं होंगी। ऑस्ट्रेलिया में नियम है कि जब कोई जोड़ा तलाक लेता है तो उन्हें अपनी सारी संपत्ति बेचनी होती है और फिर उसे आपस में बराबर बराबर बांटना होता है। शिवा सर पर्थ में एक परिवार से मिलने गए थे और उस परिवार की बेटी का जल्द ही तलाक होने वाला था। उनके अपने पति से 2 बच्चे थे। उन्होंने अपने बच्चों के जन्मदिन की पार्टी में तलाक के कागजात पर हस्ताक्षर किए। इतना ही नहीं, पति अपनी नई पत्नी के साथ आया था, जिसके साथ उसकी पिछली शादी से हुए 3 बच्चे भी थे। नई पत्नी का पूर्व प्रेमी भी अपनी नई प्रेमिका के साथ मौजूद था और यह महिला अपने पूर्व दामाद के पास गई और उसे गले लगाया, लेकिन बाद में उसने सर को बताया कि वह उससे नफरत करती है। तो ये सभी रिश्ते स्वभाव से बहुत ही रूखे होते हैं और लोग खुश नहीं होते। वे अपनी सारी भावनाओं को अंदर ही अंदर दबाए रखते हैं।
You see, now this is the kind of thing that comes. I was in the US, my close friend of mine. He's only 58 years old. His daughter 24 years old. Telling me, Shiva, my daughter getting married, you know. I think the fellow older than me. Seriously, I was 65 years old. Marrying his daughter 25 years old, man, I'm all going for the wedding. Would you go for the wedding, madam? No. You see now the culture, madam. It's only culture, madam, but inside everybody feels.
Maybe she thinks he will die.
After marriage, wait, madam. After marriage, divorce. Now they got a child. And that fellow is gone already, gone. It's such a kind of thing that people don't want to culture. We all think it's all very culture, but inside they all have lots of emotion. They cannot voice or cannot talk. So I don't know. I hope we all don't become in that kind of culture. Understand? Okay, now look at how many people can life like in spoil because of cause. Find out why are we fighting? Is there something coming inside? Is there something disturbing? Is it the house is negative? Is something that I'm doing is negative? Is there I'm depending on negative when it comes to the place? Very easy to find all of this, you know. Once you do the sensing, it's so easy, you know. Then you can find a solution to this problem. Okay, guys? Okay? Now, this is what happened. Anyone feeling like this? Oh, next, other room only now. Different room only. No, this is still young, huh? After holding, no. This can also happen because who's your the noise is so loud, you have to put another room. Hey, sometimes, have you ever people snoring that the whole flat can listen? Yes, sometimes the whole place will be listening to the maximum. Yes. Something like that. The whole condo can listen to noise. It's so loud, madam. I'm not joking. I have a friend of mine, madam. Oh my God. He inhale, snoring, exhale, snoring, madam. Different sounds will come. Different souls will come and go. Oh, seriously. Different souls will come and go, madam. One lady gave me testimonial. After hearing his fine today, different type of sound, 8 different types of sounds will come when husband sleeps. Some souls are sleeping in them. So be careful, huh? Too loud means there's a soul coming and sleeping in them.
शिवा सर को करीब से जानने वाले अमेरिकी परिवार की एक 24 साल की बेटी है। वह जिस लड़के को पसंद करती थी वह उसके पिता से भी अधिक उम्र का था और उसने उससे शादी कर ली। उसके परिवार वाले खुश नहीं थे, लेकिन वे शादी में शामिल हुए। कुछ समय बाद दोनों का तलाक हो गया और बेटी अपने बच्चे के साथ घर वापस आ गई। तो बहुत सारी दबी हुई भावनाएं होती हैं। कुछ लोग जीवन भर कॉर्ड्स के कारण कष्ट सहते रहते हैं। इसलिए जब हम सेंसिंग करते हैं तो कारण जानना बहुत आसान हो जाता है और फिर उसे हील किया जा सकता है।
Okay, right, good. Cool. People teaching how to utilize thoughts and dark energy. Okay, now this is done with a set of affirmations. Okay, this is affirmation. Okay, see forgiveness, and this is the old one. Now they're much higher now, huh? Much higher now. Okay, so we get all of the information. Regular paper. Then we are not using it anymore. What do we do now? What do we use now? No more white color. Phone apps. We don't want to go paperless. Almost everybody got a smartphone nowadays. You just go and download from your. Where's it? There. Just have to go down there. Share with your friends. Share with anybody.
So we don't have it in Tamil, right?
No. The guy who did it was the guy from Spain. This one says share. You just share it and someone take a picture. Some phones can share the QR code. Your phone photograph has a QR code. You download and you have it.
This is your website, is it?
No, madam. You can just get from somebody. So we are not doing this paper, printing paper,
Can I get from you
giving.
now?
People don't use it, keep it away,
Can I
throw
take from
away.
you now?
Yeah, but anybody can take it from anybody.
Or nothing happens.
No, madam, there's no app there. It's like a website. It's made its own website. You go, it will come there. There's a scan. Every phone can share. Many of you have it there. Just share. It's something like this. Like that. Okay? This one here. Can you see that? Can you see that, madam? Can you see the camera? Can you see that? That's all, huh? So everybody can do that. So if you're not giving a free, just have it, share with somebody else.
So can I take again?
So does it mean that if you have the paper, it doesn't? Okay.
No, madam, the paper works at 10th level. But we're not making it anymore. Same level, 10th level only. It's French, Portuguese, and English. Because it's numeric. What numeric codes, madam? Alphabet. What alphabet? ABC, what alphabet? Alphanumeric. So terminology different, madam. You want to program it and all. Later when we have but the website you can download from the website.
So maybe use A1, AI.
Yeah, good idea, madam. Huh? Good idea. How can
AI
I
in Tamil.
Yeah. Huh? So this one is the paper one we have. Next, we have the one booklet. This now is no more 15 level, the very beginning level. I have this, I must change now. It's the 100 level. When you buy it 50 level, you must get it blessed on any one of it. I'm still here, I can bless you the new booklet, or you can have it doing that. I say today I'm going to have a black booklet. That time, the booklet will be 100 level of dark energy. You read it, black energy will go below 100 level. Because we find that some levels are very, very high. Then you have your booklet. Same booklet, madam. So, 100 level.
The books that are purchased were actually 50. I mean, even if you say we taking it part
But everybody must have their own individual booklet.
what I meant was, okay, I've been having a book, but the book is not now.
Doesn't matter. You just, when I say, go bring the booklet and read down, that's all.
Thank you.
I would say, like, today I'm going to hear all the booklet. That time, give the booklet, that's all.
Okay, sir, can I ask you a question? When you play the Soul Integration song, right? When you say sing of your house and all that, what is supposed to do?
You know, madam.
No, but you know that my question is, you know the marbles.
Yeah, think of the house like that.
No, the marbles playing above the rooftop.
That one you must play individually. You need sitting on the marble playing the house.
That one is individual.
Different. See, these are outside your house.
So that one is individual.
The one individual. You must tell me, must write, sir, I got marbles being played in the house, then I will remove the soap.
Oh, so that is individual.
Yes, inside the house and outside are two different things, madam. See, you look at the house, but there's another realm in between there. When you're all playing around there, they're moving around here, they move there, move here, they come here, they play in the neighbor's house, they come back. Like souls floating around everywhere, madam.
So that one is
Yes, madam. Okay, guys?
पीवीएच हमें अभिकथनों के सेट को पढ़कर कॉर्ड्स को निष्क्रिय करने और नकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं को दूर करने का तरीका सिखाता है। फिलहाल पीवीएच कागज़ के अभिकथन ज़्यादा नहीं छाप रहा। हर किसी के पास स्मार्टफोन है, इसलिए एक वेबसाइट है जिस पर सभी अभिकथन मौजूद हैं। दिए गए क्यूआर कोड का उपयोग करके इसे सभी के साथ साझा करना आसान है। कागज़ पर दिए गए अभिकथन और यह ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट अभिकथन 10वें स्तर तक काली ऊर्जाओं को दूर करते हैं। अब अभिकथन पुस्तिका को 100 स्तरों की नकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं को दूर करने के लिए आशीर्वादित किया गया है। प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के पास अपनी व्यक्तिगत पुस्तिका होनी चाहिए। सोल एलिवेशन गाना केवल इसके लिए काम करता है। एक प्रतिभागी ने सर से पूछा कि जब सर नकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं को दूर करते समय हमें अपने घर के बारे में सोचने के लिए कहते हैं, तो यह उन बच्चों की आत्माओं के लिए भी काम करेगा जो इमारतों की छतों पर कंजों से खेलते हैं। तो सर ने उत्तर दिया कि उन आत्माओं को एलिवेट करने के लिए अलग से गाना बजाना होता है। जब वे हमें अपने घर के बारे में सोचने को कहते हैं, तो हमें अपने घर के अंदर जो चीज़ें हैं उनके बारे में सोचना है। अगर सर नकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं को दूर करते समय उनका विशेष रूप से उल्लेख करते हैं तो यह काम करेगा, अन्यथा नहीं। ये आत्माएं हमारे घर के अंदर नहीं हैं, वे बाहर सामान्य क्षेत्र में हैं। वे चारों ओर तैरती हुई आत्माएं हैं।
Okay, good. Next comes the calendar. Calendar same thing. Last time was 30 level, now it's got another 100 level now. Play the song with the calendar and the booklet wherever you go. But don't go and find some big challenges, go to the graveyard and play every weekend now. Don't go for trouble. That's it. What song is it? Tamil song, right? Have you heard the song? They're talking about themselves. Let's put a Tamil friend. Hey, come, Tamil friend, come in. What song is this? That's how it is, madam. In the world. In the world, work like that, madam. We're all friends.
Hotel room.
Huh?
Hotel room. We go visit.
Visit where?
Traveling.
That's why I play in the hotel room.
Hotel room.
Yeah, but hotel room can be a lot of the thing, madam. Yeah, hotel room can be very like this. But, madam?
Many people come and go.
Yes, madam. Some people are happy, some people are sad, some people are crying, some people plan to commit suicide. Especially when you go to Genting Island, the hotel room, anybody there, not. When it's a Genting Island. Hey, they won't kill themselves there, no? They lose all the money, what do you do? Can't go back home. Commit suicide there, in the room. Yes, madam.
I have calendar, I have the wall in my bed, all in my bed. Now I got it short. But I still have this sleep paralysis at times. At times. So is it like
Nothing there, madam.
my
Lose 11 kilos, madam, will be fine. From the time I never lost a single kilo, madam. Just body weight, madam. Sometimes our body is too heavy. Madam, what do you have for breakfast, madam? What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast?
Today,
Ah,
a bit of mee goreng.
then how to lose weight, madam? No, madam, listen to me, madam. Food is one. Nothing. Listen to me, huh? Losing weight. Why you put the fat on?
पीवीएच कैलेंडर भी 100 स्तरों की नकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं को दूर करने के लिए वरदान प्राप्त है। हमें गाना बजाना है और फिर पुस्तिका के साथ कैलेंडर के सामने बैठना है। लेकिन गाना ऐसी जगह पर नहीं बजाना चाहिए जहां बहुत ज़्यादा नकारात्मक ऊर्जाएं हों, जैसे कब्रिस्तान वगैरह। यहाँ तक कि होटल के कमरों में भी कभी कभी नकारात्मक ऊर्जाएं हो सकती हैं अगर उस कमरे में कभी किसी ने आत्महत्या की हो या बहुत दुखी रहा हो। एक प्रतिभागी ने सर से पूछा कि वह नियमित रूप से आशीर्वाद ले रही है, लेकिन उन्हें अभी भी कभी कभार स्लीप पैरालिसिस के दौरे पड़ते रहते हैं। सर ने उन्हें सेंस किया और बताया कि कोई नकारात्मक ऊर्जा मौजूद नहीं है, लेकिन उन्होंने यह भी बताया कि उन्हें 11 किलो वज़न कम करना होगा। वज़न कम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Why you put the fat on?
Lazy.
Why you put the fat on? No, man. You see, when you eat too much input output is not there. So what the body does is the system will convert all the excess carbohydrate, excess protein, and make it fat. Where do you store that? This one never grow big, this one never grow big. Yes, sir, madam? The same size, madam. Same size, never grow big. All this one grow big, madam.
This one will be.
That's why they put everything there. So now you want to lose weight. What, madam? So no intake. No intake. So what does the body do? How do they burn?
The fat exercise.
How do they burn? Who will convert? Who will convert? What's the process of conversion? From the liver, an enzyme will come out. Hormone called glucagon. They will come and find the fat. When they don't come, madam, you're not going to lose a single kilo. System is not working.
So intermittent fasting, yeah?
The system must work, madam. Must see the liver, must see the pancreas, must see the adrenal glands, see the thyroid gland, pituitary gland. All this work as a system. They're all like a system. They all talk to each other. You know, I can bring a Malaysian lady, madam. In 1 month, she lost 24 kilos. Eating what? Cucumber only.
जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा खाते हैं तो इनपुट तो होता है लेकिन आउटपुट नहीं होता या बहुत कम आउटपुट होता है। इस तरह शरीर का सिस्टम सारे अतिरिक्त कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और प्रोटीन को फैट में बदल देता है। यह अतिरिक्त फैट बाजुओं, धड़, जांघों और नितंबों में जमा हो जाता है। सर ने मजाक में कहा कि पैरों या दिमाग पर कभी भी वज़न नहीं बढ़ता। जब हम वज़न कम करना चाहते हैं और खाना नहीं खाते तो शरीर में जमा अतिरिक्त फैट का इस्तेमाल करता है। ग्लूकागन एक हार्मोन है जो लीवर को शरीर में जमा ग्लूकोज छोड़ने के लिए प्रेरित करता है। यदि यह हार्मोन नहीं बनता तो वज़न कम करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। वज़न कम करने के लिए लीवर, एड्रेनल ग्रंथियाँ, थायराइड ग्रंथियाँ और पिट्यूटरी ग्रंथियों को दुरुस्त करना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ये सभी एक साथ मिलकर एक सिस्टम की तरह काम करती हैं। मलेशिया में एक महिला ने सिर्फ खीरा खाकर 1 महीने में 20 किलो से ज़्यादा वज़न कम किया।
When I go to YouTube, I have done a study of myself. My sugar was 6.5. Okay? I had fruits. Just fruits. Nothing else. It shoot to 14 madam in half an hour. From 5, 6.9 to 14. In 5 hours, I didn't eat anything. Came down. I did every half an hour. Came down to 5.9 in 5 hours. Now, what if I add something in 5 hours? Coming down. Coming down. Coming down. It's never going to come down. So when? What if I did not eat anything? It came to 5.9. Okay, madam? What if we eat nothing for another 5 hours? No. The body will start taking my fats. I need the energy. Where do I need the energy? Where do I need the energy? For my lungs to grow, my hands to move, my brain needs energy to burn, to make it think, my kidney needs energy to work, my heart needs energy. They all need energy. They need energy, man. So they will say, hey, this fellow is not eating. He's doing some big program on, let's work it out. They will go and take the fat. That's when you're going to lose weight. Or you walk 1 kilometer. You walk half a kilometer. Energy. And then, until then, you are not going to lose a single kilo. System must work. You have a system inside that works. Okay, madam? These are pancreas, insulin, glucagon. Hormones that must come out from the body to make it work.
सर ने खुद पर ही एक अध्ययन किया है। सर ने अपना ब्लड शुगर 6.5 नापा। फल खाने के आधे घंटे के बाद ही यह बढ़कर तकरीबन 14 हो गया। सर ने कुछ और नहीं खाया और हर आधे घंटे में अपना शुगर लेवल चेक करते रहे। 5 घंटे बाद यह घटकर 6.9 हो गया। अब अगर हम उन 5 घंटों में कुछ और खा लें तो क्या होगा? फिर यह शुगर लेवल हमेशा उच्चतर रहेगा और जब शुगर का स्तर 5.9 हो जाता है तो क्या होगा यदि हम अगले 5 घंटों तक कुछ नहीं खाते हैं? शरीर संग्रहित चर्बी का उपयोग करना शुरू कर देगा। हमें अपने फेफड़ों के कामकाज के लिए, अपनी मांसपेशियों को हिलाने के लिए, मस्तिष्क को काम करने के लिए, अपने गुर्दे और हृदय को ठीक से काम करने के लिए इस ऊर्जा की आवश्यकता होती है। यह वह समय है जब संग्रहित चर्बी का उपयोग किया जाता है या जब हम 1 किलोमीटर या उसके आसपास चलते हैं तो ऊर्जा खर्च होती है और इससे वजन कम होगा। इसलिए हमारे शरीर के अंदर की प्रणाली को ठीक से काम करना चाहिए। अंगनाशय, इंसुलिन हार्मोन, ग्लूकागन हार्मोन शरीर में सक्रिय रूप से स्रावित होने चाहिए।
When it come up, we won't lose a single kilo. One lady, doctor said, eat fruits, eat fruit juice. She didn't lose a single kilo. One lose weight, just drink vegetable juice. 0 calories. So I'm going to do a test and I'll share with you all. Just drink fruit juice and see what happens. I've done cucumber. The next day, madam, cucumber when it's 7 only. Came on half an hour, normal. There is some sugar in cucumber, not 0. You don't taste it. So this is the thing that you have to wear, madam. Cannot be going on, cannot la, madam. Cannot la, then don't blame la, I didn't lose 1 kilo also. Singapore must cut them off, madam. Tight. Couple little bit, push it again. You have to control that, madam. There's no such thing. Some people are born with good metabolism. They don't come with it all. You can't copy yourself that. The system is working for that, madam. Our system is not working, so you must help the body from working. Exercise, work. Take the one and heal. Heal the throat chakra, ajna, your pancreas, your liver, all that. Go liver flush, clean them out. That's the only time you will lose weight. And then nothing is going to happen. It is losing weight. I've had problems losing weight also. I've done a lot of experiments myself, madam. If I don't eat lunch, madam, if I don't eat lunch, I lose 1 kilo. Seriously, I'm not joking. From Singapore, I eat root canal, lose 5 kilos, madam.
Wow.
Root canal, can eat. 5 kilos alone. Yes. And then come back from Singapore, put in 3 kilos maybe. Like fruit la, rice la, kaya toast la, ghee la, nasi biryani la. Lunch, what are you going to give? Tom yum fried rice la. How you going to lose weight? Understand? So you must be disciplined. Must have mental discipline. Understand? No, today la, eat today only, sir. No, what that? Another for that. Today only eat, sir. Everything.
Tomorrow will never come.
Never.
एक महिला को उनके डॉक्टर ने वज़न कम करने के लिए केवल फल और फलों के रस लेने के लिए कहा था, लेकिन वह 1 किलो भी वज़न कम नहीं कर पाई। अगर हमें वज़न कम करना है तो हमें सब्जियों का रस पीना चाहिए। इसमें 0 कैलोरी होती है। स्वयं पर किए गए प्रयोग के बाद अगले दिन सर ने केवल खीरा खाया तो शुगर का स्तर केवल 7 तक ही बढ़ा। खीरे में भी चीनी कम मात्रा में होती है। यह सब तभी संभव है जब हम अपने खाने की इच्छा पर नियंत्रण रख पाएं। मेटाबॉलिज्म मतलब शरीर में होने वाली उन सभी रासायनिक प्रतिक्रियाओं को कहते हैं जिनके द्वारा भोजन ऊर्जा में बदलता है और शरीर के विकास, मरम्मत और कामकाज के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है। यह मेटाबॉलिज्म कुछ लोगों का अच्छा होने की वजह से उनकी प्रणाली बहुत कुशलता से काम करती है और जिनका उतना अच्छा नहीं है उन्हें नियमित व्यायाम करना चाहिए, अपने आहार पर नियंत्रण रखना चाहिए। उन्हें अपने थ्रोट चक्र, आज्ञा चक्र, पैनक्रियाज और लीवर को हील करना चाहिए। नियमित रूप से लिवर फ्लश भी करना चाहिए। सर ने यह भी देखा है कि जब वे दोपहर का खाना यानी भोजन नहीं करते तो उनका 1 किलो वज़न कम हो जाता है। हाल ही में जब उन्होंने दांतों की सर्जरी करवाई तो ठीक से खाना न खा पाने के कारण उनका वज़न लगभग 5 किलो कम हो गया। बाद में जब वे सिंगापुर लौटे और तरह तरह के खाने पीने की चीज़ें खाने लगे तो उनका वज़न अधिक बढ़ गया। तो मानसिक अनुशासन के बिना वज़न कम करना संभव नहीं है।
So remember this, huh? So here I'm trying to say that this booklet I must change to 100 level today. Have the calendar. If you don't have the calendar, I'm very sorry. It's not how much the calendar, how much calendar costs, madam? How much calendar costs? $30. That's all. If you cannot afford $30 for 6 black meeting a month, madam, what do we do, madam? Every Sunday, every full moon, new moon, you calculate maybe 50 cents per month to me per sit. Sit down, no? You don't have to sit down at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Come 10 o'clock exactly and what will go away. Okay, guys? Good. So next comes the other one. Clear video of previous forgiveness. I hope it works, huh? I don't think I put a video in. Okay. Hey, watch. Clear video of someone reading the affirmation, huh? Hey, there's some of the sounds, you know. So they put it here. No wonder. Wait, next. Okay. So these are back in Spain. What's the heart chakra? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chakras. What was happening? Go ahead. Hi. Reading page number 1. Sex chakra, navel chakra, solar plexus, heart chakra, throat chakra, ajna chakra. It's not properly aligned. Look at the heart chakra. Reading page number 1. Forgiving yourself. See how the whole orology. This is called a Clarion video. Okay. All the healing angels. I am that I am. How many more people forgiveness? So. My past or the present life. When they read the one on the in-laws family, this whole chakra will become bright color. So that's how we show that these affirmations are working so perfectly, because the symbol is going to your soul, to the soul level, to your subconscious and conscious mind. That's why you must hold, either you hold a wand in front of an ajna, or you hold affirmation ajna. You can memorize this song but put it here. Okay, but the booklet will remove 100 level. This will not 100 level, only 15 level. Booklet is very important. Remove that.
The e-book also already
Mind, the heart chakra, the seven chakras, sex chakra, navel chakra, solar plexus, heart chakra, throat chakra, ajna. If you watch carefully, heart chakra will be maroon color, and the chakra will change color according to the activity. It will come when you start feeling the forgiveness of in-laws. Please forgive the forgiveness on the father-in-law, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. And suddenly you see a change in the heart chakra. From wearing maroon color, it becomes white. So forgiveness is something that is determines the frequency of all the one factors that come to it. Number thought, number heart. You want to remove all of these things in such a way that you are a good life and you forgive everybody. Forgiveness from that person from unforgiveness and then you forgive. So it's saying,
Tell us whether you think it's going to be.
Sometimes you will say, I can forgive, but I cannot forget. You have to forgive. You don't want to carry all of this energy to the next lifetime. We all have life to come for that. We have life before. Forgiveness is one thing we find very difficult. Now they read for the in-law family. Everyone in-law family. Every religion is the word in-law is a very bad. It's false family. Chakra of the heart chakra maroon color right now. And it's not changing to become white color. White spiritual divine color. After my in-laws, father-in-law, which is in the heart chakra. See the heart color change now? The white color, maroon color, the heart chakra is white color. So the patient is holding so much of emotion is negative. And not convert to the chakra. Your heart chakra is the emotional chakra that goes non-negative. So thank you very much for following this. Everything changed. Our experience video can analyze and tell you what is wrong. Our chakra is easy to utilize just to forgiveness of our life.
पीवीएच कैलेंडर सभी के लिए ज़रूरी है। ये बहुत महंगा नहीं है और यह 100 स्तरों तक की नकारात्मक ऊर्जा को हटाता है। महीने में कम से कम 6 नकारात्मक ऊर्जा को हटाने के लिए शिवा सर यूट्यूब लाइव होते हैं। सर ने एक ऐसे व्यक्ति का किरलियन वीडियो दिखाया जो अभिकथन पढ़ रहा है और कैसे उनके 7 चक्रों में परिवर्तन देखा जा सकता है। एक व्यक्ति के 7 चक्र अभिकथन एक पढ़ने से पहले दिखाए गए थे, जिसमें उनके सभी 7 चक्र ठीक से संरेखित नहीं थे और उनका हृदय चक्र भी कम ऊर्जा वाला था। जब हम अपने ससुराल वालों के लिए अभिकथन पढ़ते हैं तो हृदय चक्र उज्जवल हो जाता है। इससे पता चलता है कि अभिकथन पूरी तरह से काम करते हैं, क्योंकि पीवीएच का प्रतीक हमारे अवचेतन और चेतन मन के माध्यम से आत्मा के स्तर तक जाता है। इसलिए या तो वॉन को आज्ञा चक्र पर रखा जाता है या हम अभिकथन को आज्ञा चक्र पर रखते हैं। पुस्तिका 100वें स्तर की नकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं को हटाती है। वॉन्ड 30 स्तर की नकारात्मक ऊर्जाओं को हटाती है। अभिकथन पढ़ने के बाद हृदय चक्र का रंग सफ़ेद में बदल गया था।